Basically, three checkpoints are there in a cell. First, that we call G1 checkpoint. Second, we call G2 checkpoint. And third, we called M checkpoint. Third, we call the M checkpoint. Now, G1 checkpoint, right? G1 checkpoint, that another we call G1 cyclin also, that placed between G1 to S. Note down location. G1 checkpoint first, location between G1 and S. Between the G1 and S, that's this checkpoint is present. Now, what is the role of this? This one check what? So this one, just a second, some are joining. Yes. G1 checkpoint, location between G1 and S. Next, imagine that this is the one parental cell that undergoing, that further divide by passing that S, G2, and then M in that division. Now, this once the division occurs, two daughter cells are formed. We consider this is their G1. Once the new daughter cell is formed, that's the G1. फिर उसका further synthesis G2 and M. So now the cell which undergo the synthesis phase, cell undergo the synthesis phase. You know that in cell in some of them that the genetic abnormality is there. Genetic abnormality meaning what? In that the deformities in their structure, right? So why this thing happen? In that the cells cannot be able to recognize whether the cell divide, okay, the cell growth occur, the cell shows their growth, cell shows the division, that is in a proper or not, that is proper or not proper in sense of what? In that the nuclear content is present, that is properly nuclear content is there, or else mutated one, deformated one nuclear content is there. Next, the cell that undergoes S phase. I told you that some RNAs are formed in G1, right? Cell is metabolically active. Some proteins are even formed in case of G1. So these things are already formed in G1 or not? पता है ना, आप कहीं पे भी जाओ तो आपका पहला सिलेक्शन होता है, yes or no? Selection करते हैं कि so many are there. From that the selection process is there, whether you are eligible for this post or not. Same thing happens to now cell over here, G1 checkpoint, or else you can write in this way also, G1 oblique S checkpoint. That is also correct, right? That ensures that in the cell which is in a G1, in that proper nutrient contents are present, growth factors are there, and DNA is damaged or the normal one. DNA damage condition में तो नहीं है ना, mutated one नहीं है ना. These things are checked by this checkpoint, G1 or G1 oblique S checkpoint, right? Now next thing, otherwise क्या होगा? See, once the cell cross the G1 phase, remember, once the cell cross the G1, that G1 S checkpoint, and then it enter into this S G2, it will complete the cell cycle. जैसे ही G1 से बाहर निकल गया, it can complete, फिर वो stop नहीं होता है, remember, right? Now, so G1 checkpoints, remember, it ensures this thing. Now, if all these things are proper, so cell enter into S phase. S phase में remember na, S phase event, DNA replication occur, histone protein formation, then centriole duplication events occur. If all these events happen correctly, right? तो S phase के बाद कौन सा होता है? G2. G2 very small. You can make out over here. G1 longest है, देखो इंटरफेस में यहाँ पे longest, फिर S and then G2 very small. G2 में ट्यूबुलिन प्रोटीन फॉर्म होगा. So at the end of the G2, if we can make out over here, at the end of the G2 checkpoint is there that we call G2 checkpoint. Right, G2 checkpoint, और same way G2 के बाद mitosis होता है, so you can write in this way also, G2M checkpoint. Now, this one ensures what? This checkpoint ensures that whether DNA is replicated, it is in a proper way or not. DNA replication में कोई trouble नहीं. DNA replication is a very huge phenomenon. So many enzymes are involved in that, right? पूरा एक chapter book है इसके ऊपर. Just imagine. So DNA replication occurs in a proper way or not. If not, then cell has to be first complete or prepare proper DNA. Cell has to be first make proper DNA. Then it can further go ahead. So cell size is proper, DNA replication is proper or not. This thing is ensured by this checkpoint that we call the G2 checkpoint. All of you followed up to here. First the G1 or G1 oblique S checkpoint, second G2 or G2 oblique M checkpoint. Then third checkpoint. Third checkpoint that we call metaphase checkpoint. Now what is this? मेटाफेज, आप ये जस्ट ये चेक पॉइंट जो है इसका नेम अभी लर्न कर लो. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ माइटोसिस सेल डिवीजन. माइटोसिस इज डिविजिबल इनटू 4 phases: प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज एंड टेलोफेज. प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज एंड टेलोफेज. 4 phases are there. So between these 2 phases, meta and ana, checkpoint is there. Okay, this checkpoint we call metaphase checkpoint. This one we call the metaphase checkpoint. You know, if you remember that centromere is there, on the sides of the centromere proteinaceous disc is present. Remember that name? Anyone remember that name? We have learned chapter number 8. बोलो कीर्तन.
मैम नीटोकोर और
नीटो नहीं, kinetochore, but good, right? This one is a kinetochore. Remember this kinetochore, okay, with that spindle fibers attach. With this kinetochore, spindle fibers attach. So जो attachment of spindle fiber process है, that happens in metaphase. Metaphase में ये होता है, right? And आप just imagine करोगे 46 chromosomes है human में. ह्यूमन में 46 क्रोमोसोम है. अभी इसके डॉटर सेल्स माइटोसिस से डिवाइड होता है तो वो इक्वेशनली होता है, तो डॉटर सेल्स में भी 46 क्रोमोसोम जाएंगे, राइट? जस्ट इमेजिन अगर एक भी क्रोमोसोम, दिस थिंग हेल्प्स इन, यू नो, एक पता है ऐसे गेम होता है, रोप या रस्सी लेते हैं, फिर दोनों साइड्स पे सेम नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स आर देयर, पुलिंग करना होता है. यस और नो, राइट? जस्ट इमेजिन दिस वन इज ओके रोप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. आपको पुल करना है ये क्रोमोसोम पर. ओके, नाउ फॉर दैट, okay, to equally distribute that chromosomes into that daughter cell, for that it necessary that all chromosomes they attach with the spindle fibers. ये necessity है. स्पिंडल फाइबर्स के साथ all the chromosomes attach होने चाहिए, right? So if not, then again it created trouble. सपोज एक भी इधर उधर हो गए तो यहाँ पे 47 क्रोमोसोम्स हो जाएंगे और यहाँ पे 45 आ जाएंगे. That shows the abnormality in humans. That shows the abnormality in human. right? You know that some of the males are there, they behaves like a female, उनके phenotypically features होते हैं, inner samaj, right? So remember why this thing happen, because in there, when the cell division occur, this process, okay, during cell division, in this process some trouble occurs in this stage. So number of chromosomes differ हो जाते हैं in that case, and वो abnormality conditions दिखाते हैं फिर, right? So that's why this stage is very very important, that all the chromosomes that attach with the spindle fiber. That's why in M phase, M means the what, metaphase, metaphase में ये event होता है. So at the end of the metaphase, this checkpoint is there which ensures that all chromosomes get attached with the spindle fibers or not. बोलिए, क्लियर है आपको 3 checkpoints, G1S, G2? बोलिए मैत्री.
And what will happen if any of the checkpoint detects any mistake or any error?
See, अगर G1 में कोई मिस्टेक आ रहा है तो वो सेल को S में जाने ही नहीं देगा, राइट? G2 में कोई मिस्टेक है, डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन प्रॉपर नहीं है, तो फर्स्ट वो सेल को ओके सिग्नल्स देंगे कि वो फर्स्ट मेक अ प्रॉपर डीएनए, replicate the DNA in a proper way. Then metaphase में अगर कोई आ रहा है, in M checkpoint if anything is recognized, then it gives the signals to the cell that all chromosomes first attach to the spindle fiber, right? And if cell, okay, certain conditions are there, checkpoints भी अगर ये ensure नहीं कर पाते कि ये mistake है, then it shows the abnormality. Okay, डीएनए पेरेंट का प्रॉपर है, बट ऑफस्प्रिंग में जब ये डीएनए ओके डीएनए रेप्लिकेट होना, डॉटर सेल्स फॉर्म होना, ये सब जो है, जो ऑफस्प्रिंग जो है और द डॉटर सेल, आई कैन यूज दैट टर्म, डॉटर सेल, इन दैट वी कैन फाउंड द abnormality, right? You know, so many child are there, they born with a abnormality, right? Because of these checkpoints. If checkpoints due to certain factors, okay, if can't able to check the cell properly, then this thing can happen, right? Boli, any other doubt to anyone? All of you clear? Today's topic interface हमने learn किया है and checkpoints. Okay, so with that I have concluded today's lecture. Next time, Thursday, I will teach mitosis, right? In a one way. We have to follow in a one way. We have to complete all the stages in a one lecture only. Then and then you can easily understand, right? Very easy also. Before that, okay, before enter into Thursday lecture, I'll send one video. I will send one video, okay, to create imagination in your mind. कि ऐसा होगा सेल में तो फिर ऐसे डिवाइड होगा. प्लीज वॉच दैट वीडियो, आपके लिए इजी हो जाएगा. एनिमेशन फॉर्मेट है, राइट? नाउ homework first of all, this checkpoint, okay, with diagram, I will send this pic in group. This diagram one time, then explain interface. Second question, explain interface. You have to describe each and everything, G1 as G2, G0, everything, right? First a checkpoint, second this interface, right? And third, define cell cycle. Define cell cycle. Just write only one time, right? And then and in your textbook, one diagram is given for this interface. G1 as for this cell cycle, G1 as G2, right? You have to prepare that diagram.